Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Godot grid maps. Grid maps are a powerful tool in Godot for building three-dimensional levels with incredible efficiency. They allow you to paint pre-made three-dimensional meshes onto a grid, making the creation of tile-based environments both fast and consistent. Think of it as a two-dimensional tile map, but extended into 3 dimensions. We'll cover everything from setting up your first grid map to utilizing its more advanced features, helping you streamline your level design workflow. To begin, you'll need to create a mesh library, which is essentially a catalog of all the 3-dimensional meshes you want to use. Start by preparing individual scenes, each containing one mesh instance, ensuring it has proper collision shapes for physics interactions. Once your scenes are ready, you can generate a mesh library resource. This process assigns a unique item ID to each mesh, allowing you to easily select and place them within your grid map. This foundational step is crucial for an organized and efficient workflow. With your mesh library prepared, you can now start painting your 3-dimensional world. In the grid map editor, simply select a mesh from your library using its assigned item ID. You'll find intuitive tools to place, erase, and even rotate individual cells on the grid. Remember to adjust the grid map's cell size and grid offset properties to match your meshes perfectly, ensuring seamless alignment. This interactive painting process makes level design feel incredibly fluid and artistic, allowing for rapid iteration and creative exploration. Beyond basic painting, grid maps offer several advanced features to enhance your level design. The Fill tool, for instance, allows you to quickly populate vast areas with a chosen mesh, saving significant time. For game mechanics, you can integrate navigation meshes directly into your grid map, enabling intelligent AI pathfinding across your levels. Furthermore, consider using multiple grid maps to create complex, layered environments, separating elements like terrain, structures, and decorative details. These features provide immense flexibility for crafting intricate and dynamic game worlds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.